In this video, I'm showing you how to disconnect your air cleaner during a rainy season and when you have to go through flood waters. Now, components: air cleaner pipe, manifold, engine. Now, this is a Peugeot 206. Peugeot 206 takes in air to the air cleaner box from this level. This is flood level. Any water that is at this level is floods. You see, this is even above water that is above your fog light. That is serious water. In fact, water that is here, serious water, because when you drive, water goes up and the air intake is there. So what happens is, once the pipe is submerged in water and the engine is running, it will suck in water, fill in your box. Once it's full kabisa, it will travel through the pipe into the intake manifold. Once it's there, into your engine, and then your engine will stall because of something known as hydraulic lock. Now, how do you deal with this? Now, what you need to do, you need to have a screwdriver. You need to locate your pipe, and where the clip is, you need to undo that clip. Okay, once it's free, you need to just push the pipe to the side. When that is done, as you can see, your throttle is open to normal atmospheric air without passing through the pipe. You have effectively broken the connection with the box, and thus the connection with flood water. You can be able to wade through that water safely without your engine going off. Now, another point, quick one. If you don't have a screwdriver and you're in that situation, what you need to do is come and locate this breather. All of these cars have got a breather on top of the engine. You just disconnect from there and you create that bleed hole. When that is there, you cannot be able to have hydraulic lock happening because you have this bleed hole. Now, don't forget, screwdriver, disconnect that, start your car, and you're good to go. Okay, the engine will run normally. Just get some more noise because there is no connection to the pipe, but you're good to go. In case of any questions, inbox me, call me.